We got a Samsung S23 Ultra. We are doing a screen replacement. First heating the phone on a heating mat, adding alcohol to soften the adhesive, all on the back glass border. With a plastic sheet, we will enter between the frame and glass, being gentle and all the way around the back glass, until we can detach the back glass from the frame. Once the back glass is out, we will place it in a safe place. Next, we will remove all the screws, securing the logic board in place. Removing the wireless charger. Disconnecting the battery and the rest of the connectors that are attached to the logic board. Remove the top speaker, then remove the board. With the plastic sheet, we will remove the screen, adding alcohol to the border. Remember to take the bottom speaker to remove the screen flex. We will continue the process, but helping the adhesive with a spatula. Adding alcohol to the process. Cleaning all the frame and border with a microfiber cloth and some alcohol. We get the new screen. Removed all the plastic protectors of the back really gently. Adding cold press adhesive glue to secure the screen in place and prevent from dust, debris or moisture on the phone. Attach the new screen in place and gently add pressure. Adding the flex connector that we're taking out as well as the logic board. Connecting everything where it belongs like Legos. Adding the speaker from top and bottom, wireless charger and all the screws. Cold press glue to attach the back glass. Clean up and let it dry. We do testing and do a final inspection. If you like this video, please tell your friends, like, share and follow. For a service like this, please feel free to contact. Thanks for watching.